I do not approve of what is about to happen. Made it, Mikey! Yay!
3.5 hours later, which not a bad ride, but I did work today.
Yeah.
So.
Actually, a pretty nice looking day out there, so hopefully the weekend turns out nice. What do you think, Pipe? There she is. Piper's back, everyone. Back out camping. So far, so good. And we got, don't worry, we got Guy over there. This site is actually pretty nice. It's opened up to like almost nothing. There's other campsites over there, but they're really far away. So this is actually a pretty cool little triangle site that I'm not mad about. Making some burgers. Really enjoying this really beautiful day that we're having. I can't wait for it to rain this weekend so that we can deal with all of the aftermaths of everyone's outdoor rugs. Right, Guy? You'd be laying in a mud puddle. What's that?
Yo, mama.
You get dessert while I'm out here working, trying to get this fire going?
Yeah, I'm old now. Respect your elders.
Oh, please. You're always older than me.
I should get a Hershey's sponsorship.
You should.
That's what I need. Help me out, guys.
Yeah, Hershey's. Contact Mike Wagner for sponsorship. Apparently this is her seat. Me.
And then you're asking me to...
He's talking to Dave Fitch on the ham radio. And up in the air. We got the new toys that we got from the Swag Out gift bag. Piper doesn't know anything about them. What are these, Pipes? What are these? Wait. No, Guy! Let me take the tags off. Oh, which one? Oh, because I tried to give that to Piper. But see how long they last. I don't think it's going to be very long.
We'll see.
We'll show the wreckage. Guy, you can't take that. That's for Pipe.
He's got his right there on the floor.
You can't have them both. Guy! She's going to get all street on you.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like they've successfully switched toys. Guy wants to have them both, but that's just not going to happen.
That sounded sad.
That sounded like he got hurt. What's on your face? Look it. You're so dirty. You must have been laying in the dirt.
Come here, Guy.
Oh, there you go. You're so dusty. Don't worry.
Lunchtime, huh?
Yeah, he thinks he's ready for some food. It's only 3 o'clock. What do you want?
You want to eat?
You said the word. Now it's your fault.
What she got, guy?
Since Mikey said the words and you weren't gonna stop being noisy. Here.
He eats in warp speed. Meanwhile, Piper, so patient.
Eats like a lady.
She eats so slow.
She's a lady. She chews it. Takes in the sights and sounds.
It's about gone.
I'm actually surprised there was any in there. Well, Guy and Piper are finished with their lunch, aka dinner. It also appears that Mike is having his just desserts, perhaps.
Don't judge me.
Yeah, we'll see if you have another one after dinner. My bet is yes. He'll say no, but
One a day.
one a day. That's not how you get a sponsorship from Hershey's.
I'm working on it.
We've been here at Stonelick State Park almost an entire day, and we haven't really left our campsite a whole lot to even explore the park. So I think we're gonna go ahead and check it out a little bit. Careful.
Flying dicks.
Flying discs in the area. I do not approve of what is about to happen. There's no way I would do this. Oh! Oh my gosh!
I'm stunting.
I definitely would have, crashed for sure. You want to stunt, go back up them steps.
I'd have to pedal.
Mm-hmm, exactly. I don't know, it keeps getting cloudier and cloudier and cooler and cooler.
Yeah, it's dropped quite a few degrees.
Yeah, I'm out here thinking I'm kind of gonna need a hoodie soon because I'm getting kind of goosebumpily. Oh, the time has come. Awning is in. Raindrops are starting to flow and it's not gonna stop all night. So I'm gonna go inside and chill in there for a little while. No campfire tonight. I guess that's why we had one yesterday, knowing the rain wouldn't be far. Started to rain last night off and on, and it is still going this morning. It is supposed to stop, so fingers crossed for that. I really don't want to spend another day inside. Stopped raining and it actually is a really beautiful day out right now. Sunshine and everything. Got the pups out here with me. Got me a beverage. Of course, Guy has to cry. It wouldn't be camping if Guy didn't cry. We haven't really done much with the dogs, as in like long walks or hiking or anything like that. Well, one, because it was kind of raining a lot, and two, because Piper did hurt her ear. It got cut pretty bad. So, and the vet suggested to limit her time outside so that flies and other insects couldn't get in there and tear it up. So she's on some pain medicine and some antibiotics until that clears up. She hasn't had anything. She's seemed pretty normal, still eating, still drinking, but I tell you what, there's always something when you have dogs. We recently got a new load of firewood, and as you can see, some of it is wet, making some noise, and it is hard to get lit. Once it's lit, it goes, but man, it just takes a lot of effort to get it going. Last night, Mike decided he was gonna make a pot pie and use the convection microwave oven, and it just like popped. He said a bright light happened and it just went dead. So now we get to go home and decide, try to fix it, one, and then if it can't be fixed, try to find one that's in stock. It seems to be pretty difficult to find anything in stock, let alone a convection oven microwave. So that's probably going to be the rest of our time. We got to get this fixed because I need a convection oven in this motorhome for me to be functional. So I guess for now, we're gonna get on back home to the home base and try to get this thing figured out. Hopefully soon we will be back out. We do have a couple more trips planned, one of which will be Hershey, Pennsylvania for the Hershey RV show. And that is September 17th through the 19th, I think. Check me on that, but it's coming up pretty soon. So if you guys are going to be there, be sure to keep an eye out for us on the weekend. We're only going to be there during the weekend, not during the week this time. So
You can see that we have power, but it appears that our microwave has died. And I got the microwave down, but would you look at that? Looks like it might have got a little hot. It's not good. Remove this top piece from the top of the microwave, and looking right there, I see a fuse. So I just got to get to that. Probably just taking out these screws right here. Got the broken pieces of the fuse out. Looks like it's 20 amp, 125 volts. I don't have any of these glass fuses, so I'm gonna have to go buy some. Went to Home Depot, and they had microwave fuses. It's $3.45 for a pack of 2. So I'm gonna put this fuse in here, and then plug in the power and see if it works. The new fuse is in. It's the moment of truth. Let's plug this thing in. It's dead. Well, I sense you wanted to take a dump, so this is what I've been forced to do. Got a brand new LG. It was $5.99 at Best Buy. It was literally the only convection oven we could find in stock. Okay, I moved it in here. The first test before I do anything. Let's plug it in. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. It's got power. It works.
this Wraith is a mess. It's a mess in here.
It is. Every time I do something, it just gets destroyed.
It's a disaster. But hopefully this bad boy will last longer than a year, maybe?
You know, putting this in was a project.
It seemed like it.
It would have been nice if we would have got the exact same make and model as the old one, because it would just fit.
Yeah, there were none. We searched. What do you think, guy? You get scared of that? Yep.
Fancy. Looks like you got a new toy to figure out.
Yeah, it's definitely different. So the other one you just press convection on a button. This one you have to do manual cook and then
use this turn dial to select convection or microwave or combination.
It's
All
fancy.
the options. So right now it's currently preheating for no reason. We just wanted to
Make sure it
make
works.
sure it works. So it's spinning, it's on. The light down here works.
I still got to clean up a little bit.
Yeah, a lot bit.
But that is way nicer than what we have in our house.
Yeah, it is pretty nice. But I'm kind of bummed because I was familiar with the other one. So just another learning experience. As you can see, the convection microwave is in place and is functional. It's been working out well so far. I'm excited to try to use it on our next trip out, which we're packing up to leave right now. So until next time, see ya.